In this current video, we will discuss an important topic and technique of cost accounting, which is marginal costing. The contents of the current video are as follows: background of marginal costing, meaning and definition of marginal cost, meaning, definition of marginal costing, characteristics of marginal costing, advantages of marginal costing, and important concepts in marginal costing. Let's start with the background of marginal costing. In the modern competitive era of global market, every manufacturing company has an ultimate objective to obtain maximum quality production from the available limited resources. They would like to increase their profits by increasing volume of production, which will automatically involve additional cost. Such a decision would require detailed analysis of additional costs and its behavior, as it has a direct relation on the profitability of the concern. Any increase in the level of operation or production will decrease the firm's marginal profit. To reach at an accurate decision, management must know how cost will react to change in activity. The analysis of cost behavior reveals that the cost of product can be divided as per their variability aspect into two major categories, which are the fixed cost and variable cost. In classifying a particular cost into fixed and variable, the volume or activity level is more important. It is very clear that fixed cost remains constant to a particular level of output, whereas variable cost has a tendency to change proportionally with a change in the level of output. Let's take an example which will clarify the concept. ABC Limited made sales of 20,000 units at rupees 1,000 per unit during the year 2018-19 with the following details of expenditure on production. Raw material required to produce 1 unit of finished product 5 kg at rupees 2 per kg. Wages rupees 200 per unit. Rent of factory rupees 50,000 per annum. Salary of executive rupees 5 lakh per annum. In this example, you will find the cost of raw material and wages are depend on the level of unit or production, which will change proportionately with the change in the level of output, and therefore they are known as variable cost, whereas the rent of factory and salary of executive are such costs that are not subject to change with the change in output. They remain constant at every level of output and as such are known as fixed cost. Marginal costing is the most traditional technique which deals with the concept of variable cost, which is marginal in nature. Marginal costing, which is also known as direct costing, variable costing, and it is used as a tool by most of the manufacturing undertaking, preferably for profit planning, cost control, and managerial decision making. Let's take first concept, marginal cost. Marginal cost is measured as to total variable cost attributable to one unit. Marginal cost, also called as variable cost, and it is calculated by adding direct material, direct labor, direct expenses, and variable overheads. Marginal cost is also considered as prime cost plus variable cost. Marginal cost is relevant cost useful for decision making. Let's understand the definition of marginal cost. The Institute of Cost and Works Accounts London defines marginal cost as the amount at any given volume of output by which aggregate costs are changed if the volume of output is increased or decreased by 1 unit. Let's understand the concept marginal cost by following example. Following table shows the total cost and marginal cost of product in respect of increasing number of quantity of production. If you observe the table, you will find that at the 100 unit of production, the total cost required 1000 rupees. Further, if you increase the quantity by 1 unit, the total cost goes to 1350. It means that if you increase your production by 1 unit, your cost is increased by 350. This 350 is called as marginal cost. If you go further by 1 unit increasing, the total cost also increased, and at which the cost is increased, the amount is called marginal cost. Let's understand the concept marginal costing. Marginal costing is a costing technique that considers only the costs that vary directly with the volume, that is direct material, direct labor and variable factory overheads. It uses a special technique for managerial decision making. It is used to provide a basis for interpretation of cost data to measure the profitability. Here, the cost is classified on the basis of behavioral or nature, that is, fixed cost, variable cost, and semi-variable cost. Let's understand the definition of marginal costing. According to CIMA terminology, marginal costing is the ascertainment of marginal costs and of the effect on profits of changes in volume or type of output by differentiating between fixed cost and variable cost. The technique of marginal costing lies in differentiation between fixed and variable cost. Second, ascertainment of marginal cost. And the third, finding out effect on profit due to change in volume or type of output. Let's understand the characteristics of marginal costing. First characteristics is classification into fixed and variable cost. Costs are bifurcated on the basis of variability into fixed cost and variable cost. In the same way, semi-variable cost is separated. Second characteristics is valuation of stock. While valuing the finished goods and work in progress, only variable costs are taken into account. Third characteristics of marginal costing is determination of price. The price are determined on the basis of marginal cost and marginal contribution. Next characteristic is profitability. Ascertainment of departmental and products profitability is based on the contribution margin. Let's understand the advantages of marginal costing. First, easy to operate and simple to understand. Marginal costing is useful in profit planning. It is helpful to determine profitability at different level of production and sales. Third advantage is marginal costing is useful in decision making about fixation of selling price, export decision and make or buy decision. Next advantage is break-even analysis and PV ratio, that is profit volume ratio, are useful technique of marginal costing. Next is evaluation of different departments is possible through marginal costing. Next, by avoiding arbitrary allocation of fixed costs, it provides control over variable cost. Next, fixed overhead recovery rate is easy through marginal costing. Under marginal costing, valuation of inventory done at marginal cost. Therefore, it is not possible to carry forward illogical fixed overheads from one accounting period to the next accounting period. Since the fixed cost is not controllable in short period, it helps to concentrate in control over variable cost. Let's see the important concepts in marginal costing. There are some important concepts used or involved in the technique of marginal costing, which are as follows: fixed cost, variable cost, contribution, profit volume ratio, that is PV ratio, break even point, break even chart, margin of safety, and key factor. These concepts we will see in the detail in the next video. I hope you'll understand the concept of marginal costing and its characteristics, advantages of marginal costing. Thank you.